This is Madam Peku right here. As you can see, construction is currently going on site at New Banana Island. And this construction is being handled by Julius Berger, given to them by the government of Rivers State. So you need to get your own plot of New Banana Island as quick as possible. And what you need to do that is to call Madam Good News on 090-3429-6519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. Julius Berger is currently working. You can see the tractors here. The white men just left the site. Okay, so rush, because once this road is completed and the bridge is completed, the plot that is going for 7 million naira will shift to 5 million naira. So quickly call me 090-3429-6519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island that is located off Peter Odili Road, Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Because by the time they are done with the road construction, the bridge construction, and even the drainages, you'll see that this 7 million naira per plot will jump automatically to 20 million naira. So quickly call me on 090-3429-6519 to get your own plot.